Banking on success. Understanding, banking on something. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, banking on something. It's a phrase you might hear in various contexts, from casual conversations to business meetings. Our goal is to help you understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. So, let's get started. When we say we are banking on something, we're not talking about going to a financial institution to deposit money. Instead, this phrase is a metaphor that means relying on something or someone for a desired outcome. It's like saying you're putting your hopes or bets on something happening or someone doing something that will lead to success or a positive result. For example, if a friend says, "I'm banking on this job interview to go well," they mean they are relying heavily on the interview's success for their future plans. Now that we know what banking on something means, let's see how to use it in sentences. This will help you become more comfortable incorporating it into your conversations. 1. Expressing hope or confidence. I'm banking on the weather being good tomorrow for our picnic. 2. Dependence on an outcome. Our whole project is banking on the client's approval. 3. Relying on someone. We're banking on our star player to win the game for us. It's a versatile phrase that you can use in various situations where you want to express dependence or hope on an outcome or individual. While banking on something is a useful phrase, there are a couple of common mistakes to avoid. Don't confuse it with financial banking. Remember, in this context, it has nothing to do with actual banks or money. Don't use it for certainty. This phrase implies hope or reliance, not certainty. If you are sure about something, it's better to use phrases like, "I know that," or "I'm certain that." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, banking on something. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts will help you become more fluent and confident in your English language skills. Thank you for watching, and we're banking on this video being helpful to you. See you in the next one.